Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं that my name is खुशबू अंकित गांधी and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care and everything related. Now I have a hair product fetish. लोगों को shoe fetish होता है, handbag fetish होता है, मुझे hair products का fetish है and I do have my favorites. So for this video of this versus that, I wanted to compare my two really favorite hair masks, which are these two. So this one is Vela Invigo. It is a deep nourishing hair mask. मेरे बालों को बहुत सूट करता है, especially because I have colored hair and I use the same shampoo and I think it works really well for me. Another favorite is this Nykaa hair mask. So this is the onion and fenugreek hair mask. This also works really well for my hair and it also helped me curb my hair fall to some extent. So the idea of today's video is that I will be using the Vela hair mask on this part of my hair and I will be using the Nykaa hair mask on remaining hair, and then at the end hopefully I'll be able to give you a decision ki this versus that में कौन जीतता है. Now it's very important that you shampoo your hair thoroughly before you go over with any product, because if you have a scalp which is full of oil and dirt and grease, then there's no point wasting your money and your time on applying a product, क्योंकि वो काम नहीं करेगा. Especially अगर आप कोई ऐसा product लगा रहे हो जो आपको root से लगाना है, then make sure that you wash your hair thoroughly. So I'll wash my hair. I will not use conditioner or anything. मैं conditioner, serum कुछ भी नहीं लगाऊंगी अपने बालों में. I just want to keep it raw and then I will apply it. So I've just shampooed my hair and मैंने उसको ना थोड़ा सा टाल ड्राई कर दिया है, मतलब ऐसे भी नहीं हो कि पानी एकदम बहता जाए. So I've just removed the excess moisture and now as per the drill I'll be applying this product on this part of my hair and the Nykaa one on this part of my hair. जो product लगाने का तरीका है वो बहुत simple है कि हमें छोटे सेक्शंस में बालों को लेना है and then we will just apply. So on this side I am applying the Vela product. Vela is my personal favorite when it comes to hair care. मुझे Vela के products बहुत पसंद है. इसको अच्छे से जो है we will emulsify roots से लेकर ends तक, है ना. ज़्यादा जो फोकस होता है किसी भी मास्क का वो रूट्स पे होना चाहिए और एंड्स पे होना चाहिए, बिकॉज दीज आर द टू प्लेसेस विच नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. ठीक है. और ऑलवेज वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग अ प्रोसेस लाइक दिस, हमेशा एक हेयर स्प्रे अपने पास रेडी रखना चाहिए, बिकॉज एक पॉइंट ऐसा आएगा जब आपको लगेगा कि सारा मॉइस्चर उड़ गया है एंड स्पा को मल्सिफाई करना बहुत टफ होगा. सो एट दैट टाइम यू कैन जस्ट स्प्रे अ लिटिल वाटर एंड देन डू इट लाइक दिस, तो उससे बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा. ऑलराइट. So now the hair mask is applied equally on both the sides. This side Nykaa, this side Vela. Application के लिए I thought the Nykaa hair mask was far more easier to apply, क्योंकि उसकी जो consistency है ना वो थोड़ी fluid ही है. Vela is slightly thicker I feel, and now I'll let this product stay in my hair for at least half an hour. So it's been like 30 minutes now and normally तो स्पा लगाने के बाद में I just tie a bun, but इस बार मैं वो भी नहीं कर पा रही थी because I didn't want to mix the two sides of the hair. तो थोड़ा मुश्किल था मेरे लिए ये आधा घंटा काटना. But yeah, anyway, so half an hour is done and now I'll just rinse my hair with regular water. I will not use any shampoo, no conditioner, absolutely nothing. All right then, hair rinsing हो चुकी है बहुत अच्छे से, and now all we have to do is इंतजार, इंतजार. So now we literally have to do intezar so that my hair can dry naturally. I plan on not using any hair dryer or any kind of heat because I just want the results to be as authentic as possible. Hi guys, welcome back. तो काफ़ी लंबे इंतज़ार के बाद my hair is all 100% dry and now I want to share like what I am feeling about it. इस वीडियो का ऑब्जेक्टिव ये देखना था that between these two, which one performed better. So this is the Nykaa side and this is the Wella side, and I can मतलब easily tell you that we have a clear winner in this session of this and that clear winner is trust me guys, I am more surprised than you. Nykaa Naturals का जो hair mask है, it has actually outperformed the Wella hair mask. I am shook. Now I'll tell you why I've chosen the Nykaa hair mask to be the winner. Number one, this side of my hair is feeling a lot more smooth if I compare it to this side. Smoothness दोनों side पे है, ऐसा नहीं है that the Wella mask has not worked, but if I compare, you know, the smoothness element, this side definitely more than this side. Secondly, the bounce. On this section of my hair where I've applied Nykaa ka hair mask, they're feeling very light and very bouncy, whereas on this side, probably because the Wella hair mask is very thick and it takes more than one session of rinsing to remove all the product, this side feels a little weighed down. Thirdly, if we talk about the ends, तो जो मेरे बालों का जो end है ये बहुत prime concern है because they are so dry, they are so damaged. But if I talk about this side, beautifully repaired, मतलब not 100% of course, but massive difference I can feel. And on this side again I can't say कि difference नहीं आया है, but if I compare again, Nykaa का जो है वो better है. And also a very important point of difference is that you get 200 ml of Nykaa hair mask for 600 rupees and you get 150 ml of Wella hair mask at 650 rupees. So this is far more expensive than the Nykaa hair mask, and this has performed really well. मतलब I'm really happy, especially if you look at the shine. I mean, if you compare, I definitely see मतलब shine दोनों तरफ है, but I don't know why. Like if I'm sitting, my hand is feeling a lot more comfortable on this side rather than this side. मतलब इस part को मुझे छूने का बार बार मन कर रहा है. Most importantly, the point of difference that I feel is that this portion is feeling like एकदम feathery light, and you know my hair is like bouncing all the way around. So yeah, we have a clear winner, which is the Nykaa hair mask. So I had a real good time shooting this and that video, and I promise to make many more. If you have a particular comparison in your mind that you want me to do, then please do write it in the comment section below. I will definitely consider it. And yeah, whatever your feedback is about this video, of course do mention it. I will see you again with a new video very soon. Until then, bye bye, take care, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a great day ahead.